Hi, I'm Tom from Food Related. In today's video, we're going to reveal our Perlite Hibachi Grill. Let's get into it. So here's a little bit of an update. As you might notice, this is a different color. I've had to remake the whole thing. One of my big flaws is I'm seriously impatient, and I took the form, the outside forms actually came off quite easily, but the inside forms were a different story, and I just took it off too early and I ended up breaking it. So I've remade it and actually made a few modifications from what I learned from the inside form. So you might notice there's no floor to the inner form. Now that's because that is the hardest bit to get out, without a doubt, no matter which way you make it, this way or the upturned way. So all I've done is the four walls are just sellotaped together on the inside. They're not even glued. And I've just got these two bits here. They're just kind of stiffening it up and keeping it from stopping it parallelogramming, if you like. So here's a bit of an update. This time I'm actually going to leave it longer. Probably I'm going to leave it a good week before I take it out. So it's actually turned out really well. The perlite and white cement mixture is nice and hard. Now I'm going to learn from my mistakes. I'm going to leave the outside forms on. I'm going to take out these inside pieces bits first, and then I'm going to take out the side pieces. That way hopefully we'll avoid breaking the sides like I did last time. Let's go. Okay, so we're running into a slight little issue. The edge of the form is here, and as you can see, there's a bit of overlap here but from the mixture, and that's because the inside piece I just removed, this piece wasn't actually like screwed in or anything. It was just literally sellotaped in. So what I'm going to have to do is just carefully chip away at this inside corner. This side's not too bad. This side's pretty good. So it's just really this side. So I'm just going to have to chip away a little bit at this, just as smoothly as I can. We can always sand it down later on, and then gently try to get these form pieces out. The big reveal. Oh, it looks good. Feels quite dry as well. So as you can see, we are out of the forms with no breakages. Get in there. So I'm quite happy with the turnout so far. On the inside, it definitely still feels a bit damp. So this has only had 5 days curing. What I'd like to do is leave it another week before I even light a little fire in there. As you can see, I've just got it up on a couple of small bits of wood just to get some air right in underneath so the bottom can dry out as well. I'm considering drilling a few holes through each end to increase airflow for the fire. But I think we'll sand this down and then have a think about whether it's going to hold up to it. I just want to say thank you to everyone who's leaving comments on the videos. I really appreciate the feedback and the advice. Like, I'm not an expert, I'm just having a play around and experimenting here. Smash the thumbs up if you like what you see here. I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out, but give me some feedback, give me some comments. What do you think? Could I have improved it? Could I have changed the way I did the forms? Should I drill the holes in the end? I'm not really sure. I'm just having a play around, to be honest. So smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and I look forward to seeing you back here again.